Hello students, in the last class we had studied about mantle and its layers, that is upper mantle and lower mantle. Today we will study about core. Now see children, here. This is the outer part which is called as the crust. This is the mantle, this is the outer core and this is the inner core. So this part, okay, this is what the crust, which is also called as the surface of the earth. Understood? But today we are going to study about the core. This is the inner core and this is the outer core. Okay. So earth's core is very hot, very dense center of our planet. So this part is very hot. Okay. Its depth is about 2900 kilometer from the earth's surface, means from the crust. So from here to here, means from crust to the inner core, its depth is around 2900 kilometer. And the thickness of the core is about 3471 kilometer, means till year to year. Okay, till year to year. The thickness is how much? 3471 kilometer. And now we will see that these layers are divided into two parts, that is outer core and inner core. So we are going to study about the outer core, means this part. Okay, we are going to study about what? Outer core. It extends from around 2900 kilometer to 5100 kilometer. So here is the kilometers, means the measure given over here. Okay. Now see, there are two types of waves. So here is the waves. There are two types of waves, that is primary waves and secondary waves. Which are the two waves? Primary waves and secondary waves. Secondary waves means this waves. Okay. It cannot pass through the core. Why? What is the reason? Is that they get absorbed in this region. So it proves that it is liquid or semi-liquid in nature. Now we will see about primary waves. So this is the primary waves. Which wave? This is the primary waves. They travel through this layer, but when it passes through, its speed reduces. Its density is 9.8 gram per cubic centimeter and its temperature, which is in liquid state, is 5000 degree Celsius. Now we will study about the characteristics of core. Now see, this is the crust. I told you this is mantle, this is the outer core and this is the inner core. So this we are going to study the characteristics of core. So first we will study about the outer core. Okay. Outer core is in which state? It is in liquid state. And the proportion of iron and nickel is more over here. Okay. They are metals. Next, another characteristics is it has vertical currents. It originates in this because of it is in liquid layer. Now we will see about vertical currents. How does it appears? When there is difference in temperature of the outer and inner core, it gives rise to vertical currents. Now children, this is the inner core and this is the outer core. So here there is fluctuation. Okay, fluctuation or variation you can call it as. And when there is fluctuation or variation, so it gives rise to vertical currents. It is like air winds you can see, yeah. Now let's study about how the magnetic field is generated. Here students, see, you can see over here, these are the magnetic field. Okay. Now we will see how it is generated. Here student, electric currents developed in this spherical eddies means a circular movement of water causing a small whirlpool of liquid or iron, and thus magnetic field is generated. So here like this part is generated. Okay. It is sometimes called the geodynamo. Now what is geodynamo? Some scientists call the outer core as Earth's surface is geodynamo. Students, now we will study more about this diagram which I have drawn over here. Understood? Let's see. Earth's magnetic field works like a shield. Now children, see. these are the magnetic fields. You can see over here, it works like a shield. So here it has been protected, and this part, the center, is the earth. What it is? It is the earth. It is our planet. Understood? And these are the currents. You can see now here, these are the currents, which is called as magnetic field. Okay. So it is surrounding the planet and deflecting dangerous rays. So here you can see that it is surrounding the planet. Planet means the earth. Okay. And it is like protecting from this dangerous rays. Okay. From the sun, like the solar winds. So you can see this is the sun and here is the solar winds. The rays are coming, and therefore this is the shield which is protecting our planet. The magnetic field they developed around the earth is called magnetosphere. So it is said that together it means Earth's magnetosphere. Okay. So I hope so you understood this topic. It is about outer core. Assignments are given below. Write in your classwork book. Thank you.